Inside the dark warmth of the hive, thousands of western honey bees live in perfect order. Wax combs hold honey, the colony's stored energy, and worker bees feed, care for larvae, and maintain the life of the nest. After taking nourishment from honey, the workers prepare for flight. One by one, they leave the hive and enter the world of light. Outside, they search across fields and flowers, guided by sunlight, scent, and memory. Each bee collects nectar and pollen, unknowingly transferring pollen between plants and helping nature reproduce. Every flight is purposeful. Some explore new sources, while others follow precise directions shared inside the hive through the waggle dance, a silent language of movement that reveals where food is found. As nectar is gathered, it slowly transforms into honey back inside the colony, stored carefully for future survival. After long journeys, the bees return home, bringing resources that sustain the entire community. A single bee is small, but together they form one of nature's most organized and essential systems, keeping plants alive and ecosystems in balance.